Hello everyone, you are welcome to solve this nice algebra problem, which is 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 over 13. And given that a and b, these are members of positive integers, and that a is greater than 0 and b is greater than 0. So now following these properties, the question here is what is the value of a plus b? What is the value of a plus b? Solution from here. Solution, we have 1 over a plus 1 over b. This is equal to 1 over 13. So the first step here is to multiply by a times b here, both sides, multiplying by ab on both sides, so that here we have ab over a plus ab over b. This is equal to ab over 13. So a and a simplifies, so that here we have b plus b and b simplify, so b plus a. This is equal to ab over 13. The next step here is to multiply by 13, both sides, so that 13 and 13 simplifies here. So here we'll have 13 times b, this is 13b, plus 13 times a, this is 13a. This is equal to ab. Let's take 13b plus 13a on the right hand side. This is the same thing as ab, subtract 13b, subtract 13a. This is equal to 0. So clearly you can see b and b is common here. So we factor out b. But before we factor out, for us to enable to do the factorization, we add and subtract both sides by 169. So plus 169 and subtract 169. This is equal to 0. 169 minus 169 is the same thing as 0. So that we can be able to factor out, that's why we add 169 and subtract 169. So here we have b is common here. We factor out b. So this is a minus 13. Subtract 13 is common here. So subtract 13. A subtract 13 here. This is equal to, so negative 169. If you take it on the right hand side, this becomes positive 169. So here we have b minus 13. Then we have a minus 13. This is equal to 169. So the next step here is to get the prime factors. Let's get the prime factors of 169. So here we have 169 multiplied by 1. We also have 1 times 169. And also here we have 13 times 13. So we have case 1, we have case 2 here, and we have case 3. So let's start with case 1. Let's start with case 1 here. We have b minus 13, a minus 13. This is equal to 169 multiplied by 1. So this implies that here we have b minus 13. This is equal to 169. And we have a minus 13. This is equal to 1. So here we'll have b equal to 169 plus 13. And this is equal to 182. So we have the value of b as 182. And we have the value of a equal to 1 plus 13, and this is equal to 14. So this implies that a plus b, this is equal to 182 plus 14, and this is equal to 196. This is equal to 196. This is the solution to case 1. For case 2, we have b minus 13 multiplied by a minus 13. This is essentially equal to 1 times 169. So that here we'll have b minus 13. This is equal to 1. And we have a minus 13. This is equal to 169. So this implies that b will be equal to 1 plus 13. And this is equal to 14. Then we have that a will be equal to 169 plus 13. And this is again equal to 182. So therefore, a plus b, this is the same thing as 182 plus 14. And this is equal to 196. So this is the solution to case 2. Let's proceed to case 3. Case 3, we have b minus 13. We have a minus 13. This is equal to 13 times 13. So this implies that b minus 13, this is equal to 13. So for case 3 here, we have that b minus 13 multiplied by a minus 13, this is equal to 13 times 13. So b minus 13 is equal to 13, and a minus 13, this is also equal to 13. So here, this means we have b will be equal to 13 plus 13, and this is equal to 26. A will be equal to 13 plus 13, and this will be equal to 26. So therefore, a plus b, this will be equal to 26 plus 26, and this is equal to 52. So this is the solution to case 3. So given that we have the solutions for case 1, 2, and 3, then 1 over a plus 1 over b, which is equal to 1 over 13, would give us the solutions as 196, 52, and firstly 196. So these are the solutions to this algebra problem. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and please subscribe. Like this video so that it can be recommended to other viewers. See you in the next video. Bye bye.